sa lahat ng products nung Aladdin Collection nila, yun lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan talaga. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Mykee and we are here to review the newest collection of Skinpotions. And this is their collaboration with Disney. It was sent to me by Skinpotions as part of the Skinpotions Girl Gang. We went to the launch of this collaboration. It's just a beautiful celebration dahil it's actually like the first time that a homegrown local brand collaborates with Disney. So that's a big one, right? So I'm really excited to review this, guys. Tell my thoughts about the items right here. Of course, even if this is sent to me by Skinpotions, it's always going to be 100% honest. Hashtag honestly Mykee. Wait nga, sobrang dewy ng mukha ako. Magsiset muna ako. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So, nag-set na ako using the Skinpotions Glow Dust in the shade Sizzle. Of course, it's a powder, so it's matte, but it doesn't look flat. It looks so healthy and naturally glowing. So, yun yung ginagawa ng Glow Dust. So good. And it's just $3.99. Let's review them. First up is the Skinpotions Brow of Wonders. Look at that packaging, guys. And by the way, each item costs $3.99 each. And if you're going to buy the box, which is very limited, for Disney fans and for Skinpotions fans, this one costs $3,499. Affordable talaga ang Skinpotions except the Aladdin Collection. It's a collaboration with Disney. So, diba? Tignan nyo na lang yung ibang brands na nakikipag-collab sa Disney. So, gumawa ako ng 1-minute video using the collection. Pero hindi ko na-swatch yung Brow of Wonders. So, I'm going to do a swatch. So, while we're doing this swatch, I'm going to review this. This is how it looks like. Ayan. Very nice. Andito yung expiration date and yung manufacturing. Tignan nyo yung tip, guys. It looks so nice. Ayan. Manipis. Pero hindi yung type ng manipis na parang madaling maputol. Tsaka maganda talaga yung quality ng packaging kahit medyo, actually, medyo hindi ko trip yung color. Pero I guess it's Disney approved, of course, even in the packaging. So, and then for the brow cara, ayan, nandito siya sa baba. Parang mas dark yung medium for me. Dark looks like a dark ash brown, while medium looks like a little bit brown black, while brown looks like brown. Ooh, so nice. One swatch lang yun, ah. Hindi siya madali matanggal. Okay, so for the sake of this video, even though gumawa na ako ng 1-minute challenge using all the makeup from the Skinpotions Aladdin Collection, I'm still going to do my makeup here para lang meron kayong glimpse of how it looks like. Still watch my video if you haven't, kasi it's a tutorial. Yung texture nung brow pencil is, it's not too waxy and it's not too powdery. Very neat looking. It says there the pencil is 0.16 grams and 3.2 grams ng gel. So, ang nagparami talaga sa product nito is yung brow gel niya. 0.16 grams for the pencil is just the standard amount for the eyebrow pencils. The next one is my favorite from the collection, a whole new matte liquid lipstick. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to swatch them anymore because I've already swatched them in the video. And this one, the a whole new matte liquid lipstick, it has 3.5 grams. Standard lang din na amount. Ang ganda ng doe foot niya, oh. Ang soft niya sa lips. Ang ganda lang ng matte liquid lipstick nila dahil yung formula niya, I know, I get it, it's really made to be as a matte liquid lipstick. Pero ginagamit ko din siya sa cheeks dahil ang ganda niya. As in, ang ganda nung tint na binibigay niya sa akin. It's long lasting. I didn't have to retouch all day when I use their lipstick as my cheek tint. Tapos, ang ganda niya pa i-blend sa skin kahit meron kang makeup. So, this is Spirited on my lips. Nakita nyo how I just swipe and then just blended it all? Ganon siya ka-pigmented. And for me, mas prefer ko yun na gawin na lang ganon. Kasi I think the texture is too thick for me. Pero pag ganon lang ginagawa ko, sobrang lightweight niya lang. And pag nilagay ko yung lipstick dun sa upper and lower lip ko, tapos pag i-blend ko, mas matagal siya mag-set. It's not really matte as in fully matte. Pero para siyang satin matte. Medyo malagkit lang talaga siya kahit pag nag-set na siya. Parang yung Maybelline Super Stay. Ang claim nung matte liquid lipstick, it's long-lasting and waterproof. So, I've used this a lot of times na. And I can really say it's waterproof. I mean, it lasts the whole day. Kahit pag kumakain ka, may meals ka, after that, andun pa rin yung lipstick mo. Hindi pa rin siya nasira. Yan, nakikita nyo, ang blendable niya. Ah, fresh lang. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. Ako talaga siya. It really looks like a natural flush on my cheeks. Ayun. Ganda niya. Okay, doon naman tayo sa 2 Wishes. So, this is their highlight and contour stick. Actually, parang very familiar yung product na to dahil they already released something like this before. Although na-pace out na yun, I don't remember the name, pero it's really just like this. It has the same packaging, but of course, hindi yung teal packaging. May highlight, tapos contour sa likod. But I know that they improved their formula. I'm not really into cream contours, but I like this cream contour dahil sobrang blendable yun sa skin. Pero once na nag-set na siya, as in sobrang long-lasting na niya talaga. Tapos yung color ng contour, dahil isa lang yung shade nila, maganda naman siya for Pinay skin, for morena or light skin people. Hindi siya reddish. Highlighter stick niya. Hindi ako masyado fan dahil matte siya. I don't know. Pero wala siyang micro glitter so it doesn't reflect. Hindi siya glowy. Mas glowy pa yung glow dust sa kanya. Pero I'm going to use this for the sake of this video. Okay. Lagyan din natin dito. Ayun lang. Hindi ko siya gusto. 2 Wishes is 1.7 grams each. So, 1.7 grams in the highlighter and 1.7 grams in the contour. So, for the last product in the collection, it's the Jasmine Eye. So, ito yung napakagandang eyeliner nila. I've tried it so many times. So, this is 0.7 grams. So, it's just the right amount for an eyeliner. So, what's really unique about their eyeliner sa Aladdin Collection of Skinpotions is yung bago niyang tip. Ang ganda, guys. I mean, sa umpisa pag tinignan mo, ano to? How am I going to use this? But, actually, it's very beginner friendly. Oh, forgive me. Pasensya na dahil hindi talaga ako eyeliner gal. So, I'm not, oh my gosh, I'm not really, hindi ako magaling sa eyeliners. Oh my gosh, tanggalin ko muna. Tanggalin ko muna, guys, sorry. Oh my gosh, tignan nyo yung eyeliner ko. Guys, hindi ko kaya to gawin sa normal eyeliner. It's a bit imperfect, I know, but this is so good for me. Okay, guys, we are now done trying out and reviewing the Skinpotions Aladdin Collection. So, what is your most favorite product here? let me know below. Yung highlight stick niya. Parang hindi siya highlighter, guys. When you say highlighter, pag tinamaan ng ilaw, parang magre-reflect siya, diba? Pero it doesn't do that. Parang puti lang. So, I don't know. Sa lahat ng products ng Aladdin Collection nila, yun lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan talaga. Pero ang ganda talaga ng contour. So, I still recommend the contour and highlight stick. Lahat naman yung items sa collection na to is Disney approved. Kasi medyo parang mukhang pangbata. Maganda naman yung type ng plastic na ginamit nila. It's very sturdy. Mas maganda sana kung ganito rin yung color ng product packaging. Diba? Yung parang metallic teal. But anyways, it's just packaging. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, my review of the Skinpotions Aladdin Collection. Let me know down below your thoughts about this product. What's your most favorite? What are the products you didn't like? So let me know down below, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you and God bless.